Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm so excited for today's video as we will be doing some DIYs. Let's start the Witchy DIYs with a branch necklace organizer to bring the magic of nature into your room. You will need a branch, some screw hooks, chains, 2 nails and a hammer. Now you have to wrap the end of the chain a few times around one end of the branch and secure it by nailing it down. Now repeat that process with the other end of the chain on the other end of the branch. Then decide how many screw hooks you want on the branch and lay them out to visualize the placing before starting to screw them in. Then screw, 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 screw until you're done. Now I repeat the process with some pliers to secure the hooks even further. After that, your necklace organizer is done. Time to hang it and add the necklaces. So let's go on with our second DIY, the pentagram neon sign. What you need: wire, LED neon light string, pliers and batteries. For step 1, cut yourself some wire as long as your neon light string and start shaping it into a circle and then into the pentagram inside the circle. Or if you want to do another form, something else, do that. It's the same process. Now start by securing the LED string end at one place on the wire. Then you wrap the LED string around your wire to create the light. Now on to our final DIY of today, a little lavender satchel to make your room smell magical. You will need some nylon tights, lace pattern socks or lace pattern fabric, some scissors, needles and yarn and some lavender petals. Start by cutting up a piece of the tights as big as you want your satchel to be. Then secure one end with a really tight knot. I decided to make a double knot to secure that no petals can escape later. Now open up the satchel you created and fill them up with lavender petals. If you decide your satchel is big enough, you just secure the other end with a knot and the filling for your satchel is done. Now you cut up the lace pattern socks to create a little cover for your lavender satchel to make it look cuter. Now turn the sock inside out so all the seams are on the inside. Put in your lavender nylon sock satchel and close up the satchel with a cute little ribbon. Otherwise, you also could sew the upper part as well, if you prefer that. I am tying it with a cute little lace ribbon. Thanks so much for watching. Please like if you enjoyed the video and want me to make more DIY tutorials in the future. Leave a comment down below, I love hearing from you. If you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below.